Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine and healthy. So, welcome to science class, and this is lesson number 4, the nervous system. And today we are going to study about the brain. So, brain is the head of the होल बॉडी. ये सारा एक्टिविटी सोचना समझना क्या करना है ये सारा कौन. सो ब्रेन इज द लीडर ऑफ द body. Without brain, or if there is any injury in the brain, then our body will not work properly. So as you know कि our nervous system is made up of three parts. So these are nerves, spinal cord, this is spinal cord, and this is brain. Am I clear to you? It happens with you when how the brain is working, how the nervous system is functioning. Suppose you have touched some hot object with your finger, so immediately you pull your hand back. Why? What tells you that you have to pull your hand back? This is told by the brain. How it is working? Suppose you have touched any hot object, the message through the nerves reaches to the brain with the help of spinal cord, and brain tells you what you have to do. You have to drag your hand. So again this message through the spinal cord reaches to the nerves of your hand, and you drag your hand. Got it? So all this processing is done by these three parts. So this is known as nervous system. So we are going to study about the brain today. Got it? So brain is like your walnut. आपको दिखाई दे रहा है? यहाँ पर आप खाते ना, क्या खाते? अखरोट. अखरोट खाते हैं तो the shape of the brain is like walnut. So brain is the control center of organisms body. As I have told you कि यही एक सबसे बड़ा control center होता है, and it is very important part of our body. Without it anything, we cannot do anything. None of the activity can be done by us, as it is the control center of the organism body. It receives and send the message with the help of nerves. As I told you that nerves help us to receive and send the message, and it contains spinal cord also. The brain look like a wrinkled walnut, and it is very soft. As I have told you before also that brain is the very delicate and soft part, but it is covered by skull to protect it from the injury, because it skull is very hard part, and you know its weight is 1.4 kg. So please remember it. The weight of the brain is 1.4 kg, and it is protected by the skull. And brain is made up of cells. As you know, our body is made up of small cells. These cells can be observed only under the microscope. So parts of the brain, you know what are the parts of the brain? This is cerebrum. Got it? This is cerebellum, and this is brainstem medulla. Got it? So brain contain three parts, that is cerebrum, cerebellum, and brainstem, that is known as medulla, जो आपको stem की तरह भी दिखाई दे रही है. Clear? Now we are going to study about them in detail. So first we will study about the cerebrum. Got it? So it is the upper part of the brain. So this is the upper part of the brain, and it is dome shape. Dome shape, have you seen the Mughal domes? They are preparing the buildings with a dome. Got it? So it is this, our head is like this, so this is called dome shape, and having ridges and grooves, and look like a walnut, as I have told you before also. So go and check a walnut, and you will see that there are many grooves and ridges. Got it? So it is like dome shape and having ridges and grooves, and it is like walnut. So it is the largest part of the brain. Got it? Please remember that cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. It controls the memory, the five sense organs, and the emotions. So five sense organs, as you know, eyes, nose, mouth, tongue, skin, and ears for hearing. So these are the sense organs, and they are controlled by the cerebrum. And our emotions also, sometimes we are happy, sometimes we cry, so our emotions are controlled by cerebrum. So I'm going to show you the ridges and the grooves. You can see it like the structure, these are the grooves and the ridges. So it also keep a control over learning, thinking, and talking. Got it? We are what we are doing, we are studying, and then we are learning the question answers, we are going through the chapter, so we think what we have to do, what we have to not to do. Talking, we think before we talk with anyone. So all this is controlled by our cerebrum. Got it? And it help us to remember, means it control our memory and basic intelligence. Got it? So we can we are learning the we are reading the newspaper, then we are learning the question answers, fill in the blanks. So all this is done by cerebrum. So it also control our intelligence also. So as much as you can learn, you can remember, so it makes you intelligent. Got it? वही बच्चा इंटेलिजेंट होता है ना क्लास में, जिसको सारे क्वेश्चन आंसर्स आते हैं. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी अबाउट द सेरिबेलम. It is present below the cerebrum at the back of the brain. So it is present at the back of the brain, and it is present just below the cerebrum. Got it? Cerebrum is here, and at the back of the cerebrum, but just below the cerebrum, cerebellum is present. Got it? It is smaller than cerebrum. So as we know, cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. So it controls the muscle movement and maintains the balance of the body. As you know, we are able to walk with the help of muscles attached to our bones. So it controls the muscular movement. Got it? Cerebrum controls the muscular movement and maintains the balance of the body. We are able to stand, we are able to move left or right, whatever we are doing. So it keeps the balance. Means हम अगर सीधे खड़े हो पाते तो it is due to the cerebellum. So cerebellum, if the cerebellum is not functioning well, our body posture is affected and movement become jerky. Got it? आप टेढ़े मेढ़े होके चलोगे, गिर जाओगे, उठ जाओगे, बिकॉज अगर सेरिबेलम में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है तो यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू बैलेंस योर बॉडी. एम आई क्लियर टू यू? Cerebellum controls voluntary actions. Voluntary muscles, you have studied about it. Voluntary मतलब that is in a will, जो हम अपने तरीके से कर पाते हैं, जो हमारी विल के अकॉर्डिंग चलती हैं. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल रनिंग, रन हम अपनी इच्छा से करते हैं, तो cerebellum controls our voluntary actions like running, playing, and writing, or doing any kind of activities. The activities which are according to our will, they are controlled by cerebellum. Got it? Because it helps in thinking. Medulla. Medulla, it is the stem shaped, as I have told you earlier that it is a stem shaped. ये आप देख सकते हैं, it is like stem shaped, जैसे कि आपकी ट्री की स्टेम होती है, उसी तरीके से ये भी एक स्टेम है. एंड लोकेटेड बीनीथ द सेरिबेलम, ये सेरिबेलम के नीचे होता है. सबसे पहले सेरिब्रम, देन सेरिबेलम, एंड देन मेड्यूला. गॉट इट? And it connects the brain to the spinal cord. Got it? Spinal cord is present in our neck, and it connects the brain to the spinal cord. Who connected? Medulla. It controls all our involuntary activities. I've just discussed about the voluntary activities. So what are involuntary activities? Which do not work according to our विल, जो हमारी विल के अकॉर्डिंग, हमारी इच्छा के अनुसार काम नहीं करती हैं, वो एक्टिविटीज़ को मेड्यूला इज कंट्रोलिंग. इट वर्क्स वाइल वी आर स्लीपिंग. सो मेड्यूला वर्क्स व्हेन वी आर स्लीपिंग. Got it? For example, what are involuntary activities? These are breathing. You breathe, so you have to, you are breathing, so it cannot be controlled by us. So breathing is in an involuntary activity. Digestion, it takes place by itself. So, and respiration, got it? Circulatory system is also an involuntary, it also contain involuntary activities. So all these activities, involuntary activities, are controlled by our medulla, that is the part of our brain. So working of brain, you know, right half of the brain controls the left side of the body. Got it? Right part controls the left part, and left part controls the right part of the body. Got it? Opposite sides. राइट पार्ट जो हमारा, इफ द राइट पार्ट ऑफ द ब्रेन जो है, हाफ पार्ट, वो कंट्रोल किसको करता है? लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ द बॉडी. एंड द लेफ्ट हाफ ऑफ द ब्रेन कंट्रोल द राइट साइड ऑफ द body. So thus, when one side of the brain is damaged, the opposite side of the body get affected. Means if this side is not working properly, any injury, we got any injury, then this part of the body will not function properly. I hope this is clear to you, and we are going to continue this lesson more. So till then, bye bye.